Huh. It's looking pretty cloudy out there today. I wonder why. I'll put on the news, I guess, or the weather channel. Yeah. First I gotta switch outfits. That's better. Switch to the channel. Okay, so we have a radar, and it shows that a big snowstorm is coming near Kansas City. A big snowstorm. Apparently it is it's gonna be like 20 to 30 inches of snow in this snowstorm. This is the biggest snowstorm we have ever gotten. So yeah. Everybody stay safe, and I suggest that you do not drive tonight because it's going to be very dangerous with the snow. It is going to be really heavy snow. And yeah. Oh my god, I gotta switch the channel. They said 20 or 30 inches of snow tonight. Oh my god. Good thing. I have to run errands though. That's not good. I have to buy new clothes for the kids. I have to do all this stuff. And it's gonna be it's gonna be so much torture. Kids. We gotta run some quick errands real quick. We gotta run some quick errands real quick. Sissy, mommy, why are you so worried? Guys, I don't want to tell you because you guys are gonna be really nervous and scared and crying, but we're supposed to get a snowstorm of 10 or like 20 to 30. We're supposed to get a snowstorm about 10 to 20 inches or 20 to 30 inches. 10 to 20 to 30. That's a lot, mommy. I know it's a lot, guys. I know. That's why I want to That's why I want to get shopping done real quick. Okay, guys? Can you please switch? Okay, I'll switch. Yeah, I'll switch too. I'm worried, mommy. Is the snowstorm coming right now? No, guys. It's gonna be coming in a couple minutes. We just gotta get our hopes up and hopefully... Oh, that's the rent money. Mommy, didn't we already go shopping this weekend for clothes? Well, you guys already ripped holes in your new clothes. I just got you those. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, we need to go immediately. Come on, guys, let's go. We gotta turn off the TV. Do you guys want to bring anything or no? I think it's probably best y'all don't bring anything. Oh yeah, we're all set. We just gotta go now because it's actually starting to get late. Okay, mommy. Alright, guys, Zach, grab a bag. Okay. Alright, let's just grab some groceries. Actually, Mia, you can hold my bag. And I'll hold that bag, Zach. Alright. Just gotta grab carrots, some fruits, hot dog. Alright, what do y'all want tonight? Burgers! Okay, burgers. Okay. There's perfectly 3 burgers here and some meat, so we can get that. Alright. Do we need anything else, guys? Or no? I don't think we need anything else. Oh, we need this, though. Alright, hold that, sweetie. You guys don't need any toys, y'all. You guys already have a lot of toys. You guys don't need that much. I don't need a magazine. I'm fine. Alright, this is all we need. Is that it, guys? Yeah. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Credit card. Okay. Thank you so much. No problem. Alright, Zach, come on. We gotta go. Like, immediately. Right now. Okay. Because we gotta go get some clothes, too. Hello there. Also, guys, I decided to go here because I'm not driving all the way to the other clothes store. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not driving all the way to the other clothes store just to get you guys some clothes, okay? Alright, you got that bag? Hello there. Also, we're closing early today. We're closing at 2 p.m. Or we're closing at 3 p.m. because of the snowstorm is supposed to start at 6. Wait, you're closing early? Yeah, we're closing early. Because, like, the snowstorm starts at 6, but we're closing at, like, 3 or 4. So, yeah. Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, no problem. Alright, guys, I don't need any clothes because I'm fine. I already got some clothes at the clothes store when we went, so you guys only need clothes. There's this little section for the kids. You guys can check in there. See anything you guys like. This. Are you really sure you want that? Yeah, this. You sure you guys already have those? Yeah. Alright. What else do y'all want? Want the boat? Want the boat? Sure, I'll get it for you, sweetie. Alright, that's all y'all need. Y'all don't need anything else, right? Yeah. Alright, here you go. Thank you. Thank you so much. No problem. Alright, come on, guys. Let's go. We gotta go immediately. Guys, get in quick. Oh my god, I should have made you guys wear... I should have let you guys wear some sweaters or something. It was so cold out there. It's already starting to snow. That's not okay. It's already starting to snow. That's not good. Alright, guys, we're just gonna put away the groceries real quick, and then we're gonna eat dinner and stuff at 6. So, throw away that bag. We don't need it. Just throw it away somewhere else, because, yeah. Mommy, I'm scared. Alright, guys, don't worry. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Oh, okay. Zach, just play on your little... Zach, just play on your little thing. You'll be fine. Just play on your gaming console. Okay. Sweetie, you play with your dolls. You go play with your dolls or your toys. Do you even have your dolls? No, because we moved out of that other house, remember? Oh yeah, I forgot we moved out of that other house, so I didn't bring your dolls. They're still in the other house. Oh no. Now I remember. I forgot we sold your dolls because we were low on money for the rent. It's fine, mommy. Oh my god, sweetie, I'm literally so sorry. I didn't know. It's fine. Alright. I'm gonna put this in here. Oh my god, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Oh my god, I didn't know. I totally forgot. Alright, burgers. Should I just get the burgers now? I feel like it's faster if I do that. Whatever. I'll just cook the burgers now. Oh, it's night already? Dang, that was quick. That was very quick. Anyways, I'm just gonna cook the food now. I gotta get the plates ready for all 3 of us. Get the plates. Gotta get the burgers. We're having meat burgers tonight. I did grab three patties or 3 burger buns. So I did grab 3 of them because, well, yeah. Alright. Cook those up. Alright. Gotta wait for them to cook. There you go. Alright. Now I just need to get the cups ready. Do y'all want orange juice or do y'all not want orange juice? Oh, we don't even have any. So I'll just not give y'all orange juice. Dang it, I should have got some orange juice at the store. Alright, guys, come on, dinner time. Dinner time. Oh, ready? That was quick. Yeah, I want to play my game console more. Zach, you know you can't be on your gaming console forever. I know that. Guys, please no fighting. It's already raining or it's already snowing. I don't want to deal with anything else. I've been looking at the weather all day. The radar all day. I've been looking at the radar all day, guys. Maybe actually after you guys eat your burgers, you guys want a sweet treat because I got some candy bottles at the store. What, you did and you didn't tell us? Yeah, I didn't want to tell you guys because I'd ruined the surprise. Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get the candy. It's in the cabinet. Alright, there's your candy. Yummy. Oh, is that good? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have a coffee or some tea. I don't know why I'm having tea this late, but, well, yeah, I might as well. Oh, that's good. Alright, put it in there for now. Alright, y'all can play while y'all are up. Still. I'm gonna try to glue something together. Okay, you guys, you can use this book to write in and stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna play my console. Zach, I thought I said that there's a limit on your console. A day. You can only play with it 3 hours a day. Oh. Plus, I put parental controls on your console, so give it. Oh. Sorry, Jack. Sorry, Zach. Sorry, Zach. What am I supposed to do then? You can just go play with your toys like your sister was. Or draw with your sister. I don't want to draw with her. Hey, Zach, stop being mean. Fine. I'm worrying about the weather right now. How much inches do they say that there is now? Okay, so apparently we are in a severe weather alert. The city of Kansas is in a severe winter storm alert or winter storm warning for the next couple. It is in a severe winter storm alert until about like a day or so. Like, so it's gonna end tomorrow at like 8:30 p.m. The snowstorm apparently is gonna end at that time. So yeah, we have radar footage. The storm is basically right on top of Kansas right now, and we did expect there is going to be a total of 29 inches. 29, guys. I said 29. I said 29. So there's not going to be exactly 30 inches, but there's only going to be 29. So yeah, I just suggest you stay home for like until like I suggest you stay home these past couple hours because driving in this is not good to do. Oh my god, that's terrible. That's terrible. Oh, whatever. It's time for them to go to bed. Hey, Mia, it's time to go to bed. You gotta go to bed. Oh, Lily. Yeah, you gotta go to bed, sweetie. And I'm gonna go tell your brother, too. Zach, you guys gotta go to bed. And I guess I might as well go to bed, too. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be in bed. You guys better get in bed. Okay. I'm not going to bed. Zach, I heard that. Fine. Zach, you're not staying up again. Okay? sleep on my plushie. Alright, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this roleplay. This bonus video, I was planning to post it's only 3 videos today. But I have enough time for an extra one, so yeah. Anyways, bye guys. I don't want to make this outro too long, so yeah. Bye guys.